Want to fix Cloudflare error 522 connection timed out in 2026? Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. In the address bar, search for Cloudflare outage. Head over to the second site, you'll see Down Detector. In this page, you can check whether the server of Cloudflare is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. In this case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. After that, go back and head over to the very first site, Cloudflare status. In this page, you will be able to see whether the system of Cloudflare is working properly or not. You can check all the status. After that, check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. Make sure that you're connected to stable internet connection. Once done, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.